Good evening, I'm Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also publish on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good evening, today is May the 30th, 2013, and it's 10:30 p.m. Italian time. I want to remind you that the time zone is GMT plus 1. The US market is closed, and this is a review of the EuroFX continuous contract of the euro. Trading on the CME, and this is the continuous contract aligned to the June 2013 expiration. Now, if you follow me in the last few days and months, you know that we have two levels of support and resistance. The resistance is at this 132.41, and the support is coming from lows, and it's located in the 129 area and is identified by this trace. So it's the 129.10. As I said, in the last few days, we have a battle over the trend here. We have bears selling the 132.40 and bulls buying the 129.10 area from 127 to 129, and that is happening again since the half of the month of May. Now today we had a continuation here, and we had a very important development here. If we zoom out a little bit on this chart, we can see that the level of resistance that has been holding so far, and that's located in the 130 100 area here of the euro, held once, twice, and I was anticipating continuing to move lower here, and that would be also aligned to this participation on the short side that we saw at the 132.40. But of course, bulls thought it differently, and the participation came in again in this 129.10 area and pushed price higher. And as you can see today, price went above this 130.47. So this tells us that this fact is telling us that the offer we had here, it's gone, and at the moment there is another area of resistance that has been challenged by price, and that would be this 130.20 to 130.78 area of offer here. Now, if we move above 130.77, 78 here, this area will definitely be gone. It means that the participation we had in the 129.10 area would be enough to keep pushing price higher and push bears to remove their short position. So short covering would continue here. Now, an important fact is that if we pierce above 130.78, price has the potential of continuing higher. Now, it's not say that this is going to be a continued move higher without a retracement. We could still get a retracement and then a continuation higher. The important fact is that this 132.40 will be under pressure now, because that would be a second test. So all the bears who sold in the 132.40 would be facing the decision of whether they should stay and keep pushing price lower, or they should just remove their shorts and let price move higher. I just want to remind you that this 127 to 129 area of support here, which is again it's a support at price at the beginning of April, and now again in the mid-end of May, as a target in the 141 area. So if 130.78 breaks on the upside, and this is very probable at this point, this level will be under pressure, and the 133.57 level could also break, meaning that all this area of offer here will also be gone, and that that would mean that price would have the space and short covering needed to keep moving higher, so with a dollar moving lower. So that's a potential scenario here that we need to keep in mind. For sure, if the 137 TH breaks on the upside, then this 132.40 will be under pressure. Of course, I'm telling you now, if price will move above 137.8, I won't be interested in shorts anymore, and I will start looking for longs. And because, as I say, this 132.40 will be under pressure, so bears might simply disappear. And so I wanted to review quickly the 15-minute chart. I have here the 128.80 level that we have been using yesterday, and again we use it today. And if you see yesterday market review, you'll see that I was using this trace, and also say the 129.18 had to hold. If it held, we could see 130, and then the second level 130.43. Now we saw price holding this 129.18. It never went below this level, and price went to 130 area, so the first area, and then came back. So as per our rules, I traced the next measured move here, and as you can see, traded to the pip here to this 129.44, hitting again the first area in 130.40 area. Now we should actually study price and see what happens, what could happen going forward. I'm going to move the scale up so we can see the next part of this chart. And as you can see here, there is a second target in 130.88, and it's possible that price will can actually get there. If price gets there, this is going to break that 30.76 we saw on the daily before, and then there is the potential for a continuation higher. However, it's also possible that after breaking that level, so after getting to 130.88, it's possible that we are going to get a full retrace into this 129.85. However, on the other side, if we don't move higher here, so if we don't print new highs above 130.63, there is still the possibility for this market to come back to lower levels here, and market could come back to 129.72 before continuing higher. But I believe that market will just continue higher and break that 130.78 level. However, as you can see, this level 128.80 is very important for program trading, and they've been using it in the last 2 days, and they might still keep using it in the coming days. Let me go back quickly on the daily chart. I have this 128.80 level here. I'm going to remove a few traces here. If we continue higher and we break this 133.57, we could still see a retrace from this 128.80 to whatever high is printed before breaking this 133.60. Let's say that it breaks and then comes back, and then we would see a retrace. We might see a potential retracement into the 130-120 area. This is it for today. I hope this review is useful. Be careful here, because the market might be changing direction. That's very welcome, because we know that if that's the case, we have a target in the 141 level for the euro, and this will be confirmed as price and if price moves above 133.56. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a very good evening, If you want to receive more information, go to my blog and subscribe my newsletter. I also have an ebook on the key concept to correct trading behavior, and I would recommend you download it. It's there. You can download it from my website. So thank you. If you have any questions, just post the questions and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you very much for your attention. Good night.